Seeing gaps or uneven areas in your prints? The print head may be dirty. Power off the printer. Open it and remove the ink rolls and paper. The print head is at the back. Use a flashlight to locate it. Do not touch the print head with your fingers. Skin oils can cause damage. Use the Citizen Head Cleaning Pen to clean the thermal print head. Gently wipe the print head, then let it air dry completely. Pay special attention to the area where the defect appeared. Clean that spot with several light passes. Reinstall the media and run a test print.